Ana Munoz, EDAD 16, Journal 2, Professional Development. This article is very helpful, especially in an age of accountability and budget cuts. Principals asked to lead professional development in new ways. And how can we face those challenges and grow professionally? I often see that admin buy copies of books for teachers that are cheap online, like through Amazon, and each teacher has a topic to present versus bringing in somebody that saves money is have the teachers be the educators. We always update good news, so we start and talk about good news, and that's free but keeps them around. We had an intruder alert preparation earlier run by the principal. Seems simple, but has to be done in this day and time. Specific strategies. I like to review when I'm admin Google Classroom for two-way communication. For example, SPED kids often have a hard time listening and writing. So as I give a demonstration teacher lesson, I always jot down a few main points and post them in the stream. And that way parents can see what the child was supposed to do that day. I also think that reviewing educational law and current event like the extreme vaping problems we all have in the school bathroom, that's got to end. I also like to remind teachers you must abide the IDEA law. Make sure IEPs in file formats. You don't want a lawsuit, and I give lots of ideas to help teachers with that during PD. I like to have veteran teachers give seminars versus hiring people from out of the area who don't know our kids to save on budgets, for they know our local population best. Growth mindset. Ooh, one of my favorite topics, growth mindset. We have a bulletin in the staff lounge with sticky notes to show growth mindset goals. It's great to have an idea, but when you read all the amazing accomplishments of students where teachers showed them how to have a growth mindset, that's mind-blowing. The new Common Core math is pretty intense, honestly, but with time and tutoring, students are doing well. They're really having a growth mindset. I've also given PLC seminars on grading, big ideas. It's really not possible to grade every last assignment. You'd be sick. It's not possible. But to figure out strategies like peer editing, students picking their favorite paragraph in the essay, picking 3 out of 10 math questions, and working together to get things done. Also, I love to have Monday mantras and emails to keep teachers going.